If you're leasing your vehicle and you're using it for gig, the number one thing you want to do is you want to go back to your leasing contract and check what is your annual mileage allowance. That Walmart employees do not know under which app you're showing up to pick up an order. Good morning. Today is Friday, August the 5th of 2022. It is around 7:30 in the morning. I have a question, and I know that question is not possible to answer. But I see a guy driving an F-150. Primarily, he shows up and gets the .com orders, even though today he got a scheduled order, looks like, with Spark. But either way, if you're driving F50 and my cost before the price of gas went crazy was about 31 cents a mile, that is a true real cost per mile on my Prius. What is his true cost per mile? Second, that F-150 is like only 2 years old. Most likely, he's not financing it, he's leasing it. I want to say to all of you out there, if you're leasing your vehicle and you're using it for gig, the number one thing you want to do is you want to go back to your leasing contract and check what is your annual mileage allowance, or what is the total mileage allowance for the whole lease. Is it 3-year, 5-year lease, whatever it is? What is the total mileage allowance? Because if the mile allowance is only $12,000 a year, that means you have $1,000 a month. That means you're probably going to go through that 1,000 within 1 to maybe 2 weeks maximum. So the next 2 weeks that you're driving, dealership will charge you between 20 to 80 cents for every mile that you have driven over the limit. And again, the overage fee per mile is also in your contract. So please make sure that when you are using your leased vehicle, you know exactly what you're getting yourself into, so you don't end up giving your money that you earned away, and possibly even giving it more away than you actually made or earned. So please make sure you're not driving yourself into a situation where it's not worth it for you. That's just a quick tip on vehicles, and I hope on leased vehicles and driving pickup truck and SUVs. And I hope you're not making a mistake. Especially, I'm talking to the new drivers out there that doing this the first year and have not realized the possibility of damage that you can do to yourself. Just wanted to share something with you guys that I found out possibly yesterday or the day before, that Walmart employees do not know under which app you're showing up to pick up an order. They do not know it's a DoorDash or Spark or Roadie or any other app that might be out there doing deliveries for Walmart. You show up, they get a notification. Every notification is the same. They bring it out, they deliver, they load you up, and you go. The only time they can find out the app that you're using is by them asking you to show the delivery on the phone. That who are you picking it up for? That's the only thing. So yeah. So my question is, when DoorDash app brings drivers in, I'm not sure. Is it bring drivers in at a certain time? What if a driver is 10 minutes or 20 minutes late? Because, DoorDash is DoorDash. I kind of wonder how all that works out. I don't know how is it in your guys' area, but the price in my town on fuel has dropped to $3.45. That's right, $3.45 per gallon. It's a big relief compared to what it was. $5, almost $5. So yeah, it's nice. I enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what's the prices in your guys' area. So city or state, city, and or town, and the price of fuel. Be kind of interesting to see how the prices across the country are. So hoping to hear from you guys soon. Okay, and this is my outcome for today. That's $207. As you guys can see, gotta order every hour. At 12:20 I couldn't be available for an order because the 11:20 offer took me till past 2:20 drop. I believe it was around 12:34 since I complete that delivery. So was not able to take the order, but I took that time to do an oil change. And also at 6:20 nothing came in. They sent me a Danville, which is another Walmart offer, but nothing came in from Stanford, so I call it a day. So thank you and be blessed, and I will be back.